Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn together about the introduction of Pnetlab, and then we continue for how to setting Pnetlab. As you know, as a network engineer, maybe you are familiar with platform configuring like Cisco Packet Tracer and others. And then for this video, we can introduce for a new platform, namely is Pnetlab. Okay, generally, Pnetlab is a network simulation platform that functions as a process of using software to model, test, and analyze computer network by virtually. You can create a topology of your computer network in network simulation platform. And the examples of network simulation platform like Pnetlab and then Cisco Packet Tracer, DNS3, Feng, Vero, ENSP, VML, and others. Okay, and why we can why we have to use Pnetlab, because Pnetlab is free and then open source and multi-platform and then multi-user and session. If you wanna to sharing account with your student or your teacher, the Pnetlab is good for this situation. And then Pnetlab by web-based, and in Pnetlab there are many good features that we can to use. And how to install and set Pnetlab in our device. Okay, you have to know the files that we need to be prepared, like Pnet installation file, and then virtual machine like VMware or VirtualBox, and then you have to prepare image networking tools like router switch for our server, sorry, image networking tools like router and switch for many vendors or just only one vendors, it's up to you. And then you can prepare the end device like server and image server like Linux, and then you can prepare WinSGP like file transfer protocol for import image router in Pnetlab, because Pnetlab by default uh, is not available. And then how to install and setting Pnetlab in our device. Let's go to practice. And for installing the image networking tools and in device like server, you can click on your browser like hub.edu.org, and then if you click this folder and go to Chemo folder, you can choose many vendors that you want, like Cisco, Microtech, and others. And when SGP, you can then click in your browser download WinSGP, sorry, SGP, and then if you wanna download virtual machine like VMware or VirtualBox, just one. Okay, after that, because I have um, that files, I can directly go to setting Pnetlab in my device. Okay, We can go to our files and then go to this folder, and I maybe use firmware player because firmware player is free. If you wanna use firmware with the many resource and many features, you can use firmware workstation, but firmware workstation is not free. I use firmware player for learning our for learning my just for myself. Okay, we can go to setting Pnetlab in my device. The first thing we can click Pnetlab installation Pnetlab file installation by click and then open with firmware player, and then we have to create a new virtual machine in firmware. We can type the description learning learning Cisco or just learning. Then import maybe this process takes long time. Just for your information, for using firmware workstation 17 player is free, but it's not on it's not for commercial. Sorry, it's not firmware workstation 17 player is non-commercial use only. Okay. Maybe it takes a long time. I can pause my video first maybe. Then we can continue the importing in an installation file is successfully on firmware on our virtual machine, and we can waiting for the process. Okay, and for your information, mobile exam is optional. Mobile exam is like you wanna to use terminal for new platform, like you don't want to configure the router in the router terminal, but you wanna configure the router by uh, platform, you can use mobile exam. Okay, first of all, if we have successfully uh, importing the network installation file in our virtual machine, we can log in this terminal. In Pnetlab login, maybe we can uh, type root or admin maybe password pnet maybe root password pnet. Okay, we can uh, type or create. We can create root password. So root password is functional for importing the image vendors, we can click, we can type root password, we can create root password by yourself and then enter. Okay, and we have to repeat again. Okay, we can click the HTTP because we wanna to get internet by automatically, and NTP we can skip the connection. We because we just want to connect with the internet. Okay, okay, and after that, uh, we can waiting for processing reboot the virtual machine. Okay, we continue after completing, after we have complete for processing reboot the virtual machine. There is the information for IP. We can type the IP for login Pnetlab dot 168 dot 4 dot 130. Okay, for your information, for login the Pnetlab divides into types: online mode and offline mode. Online mode, if you wanna to use other file configuration, maybe you wanna use your uh, file configuration your friend, and then if you wanna to install the topology configuration and computer network, maybe you can choose online mode. But if you just only wanna to learn by yourself, you can choose offline mode. After that, for username, by default is admin, and then for password, by default init. Default console is optional. You can choose default console or HTML console. Okay, we have successfully logged in Pnetlab. Okay, this is the uh, website for Pnetlab. This is the UI for Pnetlab. If you want to create environment for lab, you can click here, add new lab, and then you can type the description, learning. Okay, who can open this lab? Maybe by default, admin and special user. Optional. Yeah. Okay, we have successfully created environment for configured computer network. Okay, by default, Pnetlab is not available for import router and switch or networking tools, and then it's not available for server. like end device like server. But Pnetlab is available for end device like PC, like this. Maybe we can click PC and the number of node to add to SF. Okay, this is the uh, this is end device, and then if we wanted to import networking device like router and switch for many vendors or for just one vendor, we can use WinSTP for file transfer protocol. WinSTP, sorry. After that, you can create new site and hostname root, sorry, hostname the IP, our IP, and username root, password pin. Okay, login. Yes. Continue. And then we have to type the password, and the password is password root. Okay, we can choose our folder in Windows because I have prepared the image vendor in here, set an image vendor. Okay, for importing the network device, we can drag from your Windows file and drop in a Pnetlab file. And you can click and then choose OPT, then choose Pnetlab, choose add-ons, and then for import MikroTik, you can import in QEMU. If you wanna import server, you can import in QEMU. But if you wanna import Cisco EL, you can import in EL folders. Okay, maybe only one MikroTik. And after that, we can drag and drop server. After that, if you wanted to import EL, we can back in previous folder by click this option. Okay, for EL and bin, okay, EL, bin, and then layer 2 for switch, drag and drop, and layer 3 for router. Okay, we can waiting for this process. Okay, we have successfully import the networking tools. Can minimize and refresh again. You want us to add the networking tools, you can click not, and then Linux for server, MikroTik root OS, and then you can add container two, and then for layer two is switch, and just if the Cisco IO means router, you can click import router and then uh, save. Sorry, after maybe we can delete first. After we successfully import the image vendors, image networking tools, we can fix permissions. So by default, networking tools is not functional. But if we set permission, later the networking tools is available to configure it. For setting a permission, you can uh, remote the Pnetlab server maybe. Okay, set in by password is Pnet. Maybe password is okay. You can set a permission with this command slash opt unetlab purpose plus unl strip underscore wrapper space in a space fix enter. Okay, this is setting permission by remote. If we wanna setting permission by GUI, you can close select first and then go to system settings. After that, click fix permission. Okay, you can go to home again and open your web. Okay, maybe we try to add networking tools like router or Cisco maybe. So one, save, yeah, take, save, maybe switch Cisco. From server, after we have successfully imported networking tools and networking device and device. And device is PC and device are Linux server PC and then networking device like router, switch, and router. Okay, sorry, maybe we can delete first because the name is wrong and then import the switch again. Click not layer 2 and the name is switch, something like that. Okay, for starting the networking tools, networking device, you can click start in here. And then Double click for go to the terminal. This is terminal for Cisco, and we can try for go terminal. Then double click. Or maybe you can uh, close the terminal console and then double click. Okay, this is with remote. No, then you can waiting the process. Okay, we have successfully logged into router Cisco. Okay, this is successfully or logging router Cisco. Okay, maybe enough for this tutorial. I think enough for this video. See you next time.